ArcGIS versus ArcGIS Pro Level 1. Do you want to learn both ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro? Then this course is for you. If you want to compare these two types of software, then enroll in this course. Because in this course, we are going to learn each and every tools inside ArcGIS and also in ArcGIS Pro interface. We will compare each and every tools inside both of these software based on our regular GIS tasks and activities. So in this way, we can understand the difference between ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro. We will learn the potentialities of ArcGIS Pro, the smart and easy working interface of ArcGIS Pro. So it will help us to use a suitable software for our GIS task. We will learn also ArcScene, ArcGlobe included in this course. If you don't have any knowledge of GIS, then don't worry. This course will make you also from zero to hero in GIS, ArcGIS, ArcScene, ArcGlobe, and also in ArcGIS Pro for our smart GIS work. Now let's see what we are going to learn in this course. In this course, we will learn ArcGIS including ArcMap, ArcCatalog, ArcGlobe, ArcScene, comparing with ArcGIS Pro interface. If you don't have ArcGIS Pro software, then don't worry. In this course, we will learn how to get ArcGIS Pro software free for 23 days and how to install this in detail step-by-step process. We are going to learn how to create a shapefile by using ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro. We will learn how to work with raster data in 3D Basemap. Not only that, we will learn how to work with ArcGlobe, which is known as Global Scene in ArcGIS Pro, how to work with ArcScene, which is known as Local Scene in ArcGIS Pro, how to organize and combinedly do 2D map, 3D maps, and more than 2 or 3 projects in one interface smartly and easily. How to add a layer both in ArcMap and ArcGIS Pro. We are going to learn all about attribute table. We are going to learn about calculate field both in ArcMap and ArcGIS Pro. And not only that, there are many more interesting topics are waiting for you in this course. If you want to learn all of this, then enroll in this course to enjoy the field of GIS.